Good morning, Trent. This is Jay Johnson here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to first thank you for inquiring about this beautiful. This is the Frost White Pearl 2.0 Turbo Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Now, we're already on the 2017 model, so they're here, and this is one of them. They did put the new LED daytime running lights, new upgraded front end. Of course, as you can see, the beautiful brushed alloy, 19-inch alloy rims, which is my favorite features on the new turbo. This isn't the gray leather, but it is the black. I may have a gray leather actually in the back, but of course it's leather seats, heated and cooled up front, heated seats in the back. You do have a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone on the steering wheel, also radio controls, smart cruise control, navigation, XM radio, touchscreen, backup camera, dual climate control, automatic hold. You got power electronic braking. You got a 360 camera view of this car, infinity sound system, blind spot monitoring system, lane departure warning system. Trent, you know this thing is loaded out because you built it online. But what you may not know is you're going to get the America's Best warranty with it. That's a 5-year, 60,000 miles new car warranty, 5-year unlimited mileage roadside assistance warranty, and a 10-year, 100,000 miles on the powertrain. What we're going to do here is actually double that powertrain warranty to you, Trent. No extra cost, 20 years, 200,000 miles. So give me a call. Let's get you in for a test drive. 205-380-6250 is the dealership number. Again, this is Jay Johnson at Tameron Hyundai. Talk to you soon.